Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try rose pink oversized t-shirt with blue baggy jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try golden black and white printed shirt with black jeans and black sneakers. Next you can try yellow and red striped polo t-shirt with off-white pants and beach loafers. Next you can try black shirt with grey pants and white sneakers. Next you can try white shirt with tan striped pant and grey loafers. Next you can try white t-shirt with sky blue jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try aqua t-shirt with white pants and white sneakers. Next you can try black shirt with black pants and blue and white sneakers. Next you can try tan polo t-shirt with white pants and tan loafers. Next you can try sky blue shirt with off-white pants and grey sneakers. Watch this video to know 35 white sneaker outfit ideas.